In this video, I am unboxing the best, the most advanced, supposedly the next generation of extender. I am unboxing the best extender Pro. Look at this big ass box. I ordered this bad boy way back a few months ago when it was in pre-order. I paid for it myself because I actually wanted it. It looked really cool. It looked like it has some really interesting features. It's supposed to be like the next generation. I'm really excited. It comes with a built-in digital scale and actually an app that you can hook it up to. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, compare it to some of the other extenders, give you some of my first thoughts. I'm really excited to just start to use this, and I'll give you some insight as to why I'm so excited about it in comparison to other extenders. So I want to just make this short video where I'm just unboxing it because I'm going to try it out and I want to give it a good thorough review after I've tried it out for, for a few days, if not weeks. So I wanted to put a video out there so you can see what it looks like, how it compares to other devices, the boxing, how discreet the packaging is, and all that good stuff. So I'll go ahead and do just a super brief product overview, and then do an unboxing, do a comparison with some of the other extenders, and give you some of my first thoughts on it. So it's going to be a very short but hopefully interesting video. So let's get started. All right, so let's do a bit of a brief product overview. So this is the Bex Extender Pro. So it's typically $399. Right now it's like a Black Friday sale, so you can save $100. So that's good. I got it on pre-sale. I forgot exactly how much I paid for it, but yeah, I did pay for it. Let's see what it comes with it. I didn't order the cups. I didn't order the sleeves or the pump or anything like that. So yeah, that's just for the Extender Pro only. So you can see it comes with this little built-in digital scale, and that's really the main thing that I wanted. Well, that and the app. So interesting. So you can get it with the pounds only or the pounds and the kilograms. I'm American, so I would only get the one with the pounds. So yeah, this is it. super basic. If we want to find out more, it's just basically just like the Best Extender 4, except with this built-in scale. It doesn't have a built-in bottle knob, but well, let's do an unboxing and then let's do a little bit more of a in-depth analysis as to my first thoughts on and how it looks and all that good stuff. So let's go on to the unboxing. All right, so here we have it. This is the bad boy. So comes with this package. It was dropped off in front of my door. They just knocked. Didn't ask for signature. They didn't even leave it in the mailbox. I just left it in front of my door. Luckily I was home and got it right away. So it's a pretty big package. Dun, dun, dun. So it's 17 inches here in length, so you can see, and 6 inches here wide, and 3 inches here. What is this, depth, whatever they call that. So all right, so let's start unpackaging it. I'm so excited. I ordered this, so this is something that I've been wanting to use. Yeah, so the most excited part for me is again the digital scale, and that I want to use it with the app so I can track. I try to use like a spreadsheet to kind of track my sessions, and I'm just not disciplined enough to track it. It's just too much work. So I want something where it's like automatic, where I can just sort of just use it and connect it to the app, and the app is going to show me. So I think I'm gonna do like a separate video on the app as I try to start using it a little bit more, see how it goes. It's difficult because in my spreadsheet, I'm tracking how much I'm joking, how much which don't joke, it's super advanced, don't do it. But things like how much I'm pumping, whether I'm injecting PGE1. So I wonder if the app would be flexible enough to track all that. But at the very least, I want to track extending time, ideally ADS time, but I'm going to leave that as a teaser for another video. So let's check this out. So it comes with this bubble wrap here. So let's take out the bubble wrap. Now, a stark difference from the Hog. The Hog basically just came in a box. And don't get me wrong, the Hog is super sturdy, but a little bubble wrap does not hurt. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. Alrighty, so with the bubble wrap. So yeah, you see the bubble wrap protects it. This is the box. It's just plain black. There's no you can sort of hear some moving parts inside. But yeah, no logos, no anything. So let's go ahead and take this off. Okay. Da-da-da. Let's take this off. Okay. Alright, so let's unbox it. Oh, I feel like I like the Zelda fucking game. Let's go, man. All right, let's see what's going on here. Okay, so here we have a little USB cable. Seems to be the modern, what is that? Lightning, I think it's called nowadays. It's the new, like the new iPhones and the iOS, the Apple laptops use this. Looks good. Kind of. Let's see how long it is. I have a bunch of these, so it's not a big deal. I don't know what is that, like 3 feet or so. Okay, so it comes with a cord about 3 feet. Comes with the strap, which you can use if you want to use it standing up. I'm gonna save this. I don't really use it standing up, but I can definitely see the usage for it. I think that would be helpful. Oh, it looks like there's a note underneath. So let's see. All right, well, first let's sort of take this out. So here's the actual extender. Here's the little adapter for the Pennymaster Pro Cup. These seem pretty heavy duty tools. Little wrench, little Allen wrench here. Okay, comes in this sort of like little mold here to keep it in place. Has something, I guess that's what you use to download the app. Okay, it comes with this tool. So let's see, it comes with a no. So it says, your best extender has arrived. I want to personally thank you for the support. It means the world to me. If you like your extender, please leave a review on Reddit, on our shop, and you will get 20% off on any upcoming products. And you will have to do is email me the screenshot and I will send you the discount code. Also, make sure you scan the QR code with your phone to get free access to the course and the app. Best regards, Seam. Okay. So now, now there's like, okay, so there's an instruction manual now. Looks like it's just instructions on how to, let me see, how to tape, how to set up the cup, how to tape, yeah, how to set up the cup, how to tape, how to put on the cup, and then how to apply the cup to the extender, and then ultimately how do you remove the cup and remove the tape. Cool. I have videos on all that as well. Okay, here we go. So this is it. So I didn't order the cups. Okay, I wonder what the wrench and the Allen wrench is for. Okay, so it feels pretty heavy-ish duty. I think this is for this little screw, whatever you call it here, nuts up here, which has been a problem before, which mine kept loosening up. So I guess he includes this so that in case it loosens up, you can just retighten it. That's good. The other problem that I had before was like this part would start coming off. So even if I tightened this, it really wouldn't matter because the top part would come off. But that was like one of the earlier versions of the Best Extender 4. Yeah, I only got the pounds, so you can see the pounds here. This one does not have a bundle knob. Has a fairly big base here. Let's see. So I use my LG hanger a lot. Yeah, so that fits there. Because sometimes my experience with the Best Extender, this part can be a little bit too tight to like put my penis here. So I have to like feed it through the bottom. And so I think this is gonna work as long as my LG hanger fits through it. Then this is gonna work. Can the LG hanger fit? It does. Okay, great. How does this compare to some of the other extenders? Let's bring some of them out. Okay, so here we have the Hog 2.
Gotta give him that Hawk 2.
Fucking chick, which scammed a bunch of people. Okay, so here we have. They're very much like the same size, honestly. Seem to be almost exactly the same. Let's compare it with the Apex. Okay, here we have with the Hog Pex. Seems to be the exact same size. They're all pretty much the same size. And the Best Extender 4, which seems to be the longest out of all of them. So this one's, the Pro seems to be a little bit smaller, shorter here. But yeah, I'll do a full comparison. When I do the in-depth review. Some of the problems here, like you see here with the Hog Extender 4, like this comes out, you see here, right? Keep in mind this is like an earlier version, but now that I've been using them a lot longer, right, you see some of these problems here. So that's why I'm not using the Best Extender 4 anymore. So then with the Hog Pex, another problem that I saw is this thing comes off here. right? This is when I converted it. I could probably fix it with like Loctite or something. Not really a problem with the original one. I think it's because like when I took it off, I think the threading got stripped or something. I don't know if it's the nut or the threading and the hole in the threading, the thread in the hole. But yeah, this comes out. So now I don't use the Hog picks anymore. The main ones that I use these days is the Hog Vibe here. So I basically sort of just use this to sort of get a notice, like it's some of the things that you can notice after I've been using it for a long time, right? Look at the paint, how coming off because of the vibrations when you're using the vibrations. I think what's happening is some of this is coming off and then, you know, or like loosening up, and then you can see it here in the thread. I don't know what's happening, to be perfectly honest here, but why there's all this white stuff. Other than that, it's been working pretty good. It's been holding up pretty good. I've been using it, you know, almost every day as much as I can. So this is I use a lot, and then the Hog 2.0. So these ones are the ones that I use a lot. So, you know, hopefully the one downside I see about using this is that there's no vibration. I am looking forward to, I think Basim's coming out with like a vibration that you put directly on the penis. At first I was like opposed to it, but I think it makes sense to try it out. But I'll just keep doing what I do now, which is you put the vibrations on for just a few minutes to sort of let the penis relax and get a good strain rate. And then I'll put something on like this. I don't think you can have vibrations and all these. I think it would mess up like the digital components, unfortunately. So I think you can only have one or the other. Unfortunately, I wonder if Basim can just sell like a scale with like Bluetooth that connects to the app. So I could just use that with the Hog Vibe. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud here. Oh yeah, so here's, you can see where the USB thing goes in. But yeah, it looks pretty streamlined. Honestly, looks pretty streamlined. Looks pretty sturdy. I'm hoping it's gonna be sturdier than honestly like the Hog 4. Not the Hog 4, the Best Extender 4, because but again, I got an earlier version, so hopefully it holds up, because I do want to be using this all the time. So yeah, so now what I want to do is use it for a few weeks. I'll let you know, but this is sort of what it looks like, and you can see an unboxing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and try this bad boy out right now and I'll start working on my review. So let's move on to our final thoughts. And there you go, just a super quick, kind of quick unboxing video. I'm really excited to get started to using this. I'm gonna go use this bad boy right now, and it's almost midnight, so but I go to sleep late. Look at how it looks like when it's plugged in. I forgot to show you that. And then turn it on. Look at that. So then I don't know, I gotta play around and look, so it shows you the tension. So I'll figure it out how to connect it to the app and all that. Right now it's gonna be exciting. So yeah, stay tuned. I have some other stuff. I know it's been a while since I made videos, mainly because I haven't really been producing much. Also, I sort of haven't been doing a whole lot of PE. I've been kind of messing around, just not a whole lot of time, to be quite honest. Life has been getting in the way, but I definitely want to you know, have some goals for this next year. You know, my goals is I want to put in another inch in length this year, half an inch in girth. We'll see. I think girth is really hard. It's also because it takes so much work, you know. Especially with the Peyronie's, like it's really difficult because I got to break up a lot of that scar tissue and expand it, which pumping it by itself doesn't really do that. You could, it's so funny. It's kind of like a side tangent, but you can literally see my dick, like the parts are like expanded because of the pumping, but that wasn't affected by the scar tissue, and the parts that have are affected by scar tissue where it just hasn't expanded as much makes my dick look kind of and also you can see the bottom where, like, you know, because the sleeve kind of covers that, so it doesn't expand there. So it's kind of like, you know, not like, you know, it starts at the bottom here, then it gets thick, then it gets thin again, and then like the head is funny. It's funny as shit. But you know, hopefully I can fix all that this coming year. Get another length, another inch in length, and get closer to my ideal goal. Ideal goal is 9 inches non-bone press, which means also losing weight. By like 6.5. I mean, dream size is like 7 inches. Be like Girth Master, girth wise. But I think I don't know if I have it in me to get to that far. I know it's possible, but I don't know if I have it in me, like the motivation to get like that far. I mean, I'm already longer than Girthmaster by quite a bit, but I definitely would love to have that girth. I think that would be amazing. But you can always have goals, right? That's the thing. In any case, I'll have a lot of videos coming out, so I have some idea. Also been busy trading crypto, which has been doing decent. You know, not by trading those big caps, not like ETH and Bitcoin, but like a lot of those meme coins, those little ultra micro cap meme coins. Also got me a new tattoo here. You can see. It's the fucking, yeah, I don't know, people, it's kind of popular, but I like it. So sorry to ramble, but yeah, so I have also the Epic extender, which Basim has sent to me. The cups, the sleeves. I want to do like what's in my PE box, what's in the box, my routine, tell you about my goals for 2025. Want to make more DMSO. So I have a lot of stuff coming up. So, you know, when the market slows down a little bit, that's when I start making more videos. So just apologies that I haven't been making as many videos, but so excited about these new products. Oh, I also ordered the Phoenix finally. So I also ordered the Phoenix. This was on Black Friday. It was on special. So I ordered it. So I'm super excited to see how that goes. Yeah, so it'll be interesting few videos. So in any case, sorry for the rambling. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check out these other videos which may be relevant to you. And I'll see you next time. Peace.